Hi, and welcome to the Falcons Toolkit, where we want to equip your flight to academic achievement. In this session, I will be introducing the Degree Planner and covering its provided tips. The Degree Planner is intended for use for students admitted in fall or summer 2025. To start, you will need to log into your Cerritos single sign-on portal. Once logged on, you will see the My Cerritos tile. Once your student homepage is visible, you will see a Degree Planner 2.0 tile. Click to open. The next page is the Degree Planner welcome page. It includes a link to the Falcons Toolkit page for Degree Planner and Schedule Builder. Before we move on, please note that these resources on this site will be helpful to you should you have any questions or get stuck on completing a task. So what is Degree Planner, you might ask? Degree Planner is a tool that automatically helps you identify the courses you should take to graduate and clearly indicates the sequence in which they should be taken. You and your counselor can explore various scenarios and see which plan fits your needs to graduate on time. The many abilities offered by Degree Planner are provided in separate videos that cover bonus features, degree planning, registering, and creating a what-if planner. It is strongly recommended that you work with a counselor who can help you identify if degree requirements should be moved, to which terms they should be moved to, and how sequencing of the degree requirements might be impacted with those moves. So let's get started with the helpful tips. The View Tips button will walk you through certain highlights that may be helpful to you to understand the application features. It can be found on the introductory page and also under the button called Path Actions. The first tip is found in the top left corner next to the Degree Planner header. This is known as the Path menu, where you can change your path, create a new one, or start a what-if path. You can click the mark Complete. The second, over to the top right, is called the Path Actions, where you can do various options. Those options are covered in the bonus features video. The one close to Path Actions is the Notifications field, where you can view warnings and changes that may have impacts to your path. Next is what is called the Progress Card, which displays your progress toward completion. Going over to the right is the Past Courses section, which displays current and past courses as well as transfer credit. This piece is also covered under the Bonus Features video. Getting into the main part of the planner is the term panel, which shows courses for that term. Moving along to the right is term stats that reflect courses and units projected or actual for the term. Next is the term actions, where you can view or enter notes at the term level. This tip lets you know if there's a requirement block or a line where a degree requirement and a class needs to be selected. Finally, at the right end of the requirement lines are options such as move, view notes, or remove. Please note that removing does not delete the requirement from your planner, but simply moves it to the unplanned section of your planner. This concludes the end of the instructions and the tips portion of your Degree Planner. As mentioned, please watch the other Degree Planner videos that will cover bonus features, degree planning, registering, and the what if.